Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. A box of 2010 Panini Gridiron gear. 4 hits in a box, and they want me to wait. Undertaker, do you really want me to wait? Yes, no, yes, no. Alright, we're going to start it up. Good luck. Here we go. So, good luck to everyone. 18 packs. 18 packs in a box. 4 hits. The pull-out autographs, I love. I love pulling out. Just saying. I'm waiting for the comment. No one caught on. No one caught on. That's what he said? No? Someone wrote, "Let's break this shit." I wasn't looking for that, but let's start let's start it out. We got an X of Braylon Edwards at a 250 for the Jets. You guys missed my comment, I think. You guys on YouTube could refresh it. Pack 2. Pack number 2. It will be a hit. Will it be? Yes, it will be. Numbered out of 25 for the Chargers. For the Chargers, Ryan Matthews. Jersey. Low numbered, but single color jersey of Ryan Matthews. There's a jersey swatch right there. It's hard to see the white on the white. It is there, though. Ryan Matthews for the Chargers. A rookie of Tony Moiki. Not numbered for the Chiefs. I appreciate that, Micah. Base. Rookie, Garrett Graham for the Texans. Not numbered. Garrett Graham. There we go. One person got it at least. I'm not going crazy, am I? An X, Brian Urlacher for the Bears at a 250. Base. Insert. Rookie orientation, Eric Berry for the Chiefs at a 250. Next pack. X of Vince Young for the Titans. 9 out of 25. Low number parallel. At a 25, rookie of Doran Dickerson for the Texans. Rookie of Deji Kareem for the Jaguars out of 100. Big old card here. For the Bills, numbered out of 50. Wow, that's a really nice looking card. Wish it was autographed, but patch, football patch. 2-color patch, 1-color patch, but really nice looking with that football in the middle. A Marcus Easley for the Bills, numbered out of 50. 23 out of 50, 2-color patch, and then a 1-color with the little stitching on the side. Wish they put the autograph on the bottom there, but still really nice looking for the Bills. There it is one more time. See if we got any. There's a rookie. Blair White for the Colts, rookie. Next hit. A lot of hits off the bat. 250. A jersey of Dwayne Bowe. Maybe they gave us an extra hit. We're already at 3 hits and not even halfway through the box. Joe Hayden for the Browns, rookie. Plenty of packs to go through. Still looking for an autograph. Haven't hit the auto yet. How many hits does the hot box even have? X of Brian Price for the Buccaneers at a 250. And a rookie of Carlton Mitchell for the Browns. Not numbered. Base. Rookie. Rookie will be Keith Toston for the Rams. This pack doesn't want to open. Rookie orientation, Ryan Matthews, Chargers, not numbered. And a rookie of Corey Wooten for the Bears. TJ Husmanzada at a 250. Ravens. Rookie of Sean Lee for the Cowboys. 2, 4, 5 packs remaining. 5 packs left. Doesn't look like it's going to be a hot box. And here's our autograph. It's going to be a rookie auto. Rookie auto for the Giants. That one is numbered at a 299 of Jason Pierre-Paul. Jason Pierre-Paul is actually in a lot of products. Jason Pierre-Paul autograph for the G-Men. Maybe they gave us an extra hit. You never know. NFL Nation of Steve Smith for the Panthers, not numbered. And a rookie of Navarro Bowman for the 49ers. 3 packs remain. Greg Jennings, Packers, out of 100. And Antonio Brown for the Steelers. 2 packs left. Colts, Peyton Manning, Game Breakers, insert out of 100. Jimmy Graham, rookie for the Saints. And this is it. Final pack of box number 1 of 5. Looks thick. It will be a redemption. So they did give us 5 hits. It's going to be a redemption. Rookie Gridiron Gems. Combo Prime Signatures. That just sounds like a good card. Rookie Gridiron Gems Combo Prime Signatures. Let's see who we got. Let me just make sure I'm looking at the correct one. And I am. It's going to be Marty Gilliard. Marty Gilliard. It's card number 280. Which is Marty Gilliard, numbered at a 20. So, nice card there. Let me just write his name down real quick. Hopefully that's a nice looking card. And that is it for box number 1. We also had a rookie of Carlos Dunlap in that box. Not a bad box. I like that that dual patch football, and then a Marty Gilliard patch number to 20 auto. We'll be back with the next box. GSN Cards is out.